sure you're learning from mistakes that you did last. Send me your letter when you're done.
The time is 6:34. I'm going to challenge myself to go on a digital detox and stay away from my phone, stay away from social media, no Instagram, no TikTok, no scrolling on even YouTube. Alright, we do have 5 more minutes. I'm going to make a quick sandwich and we're good to go. This is what I'm wearing today. Both are Under Armour pieces. I got them a couple of days ago. We've been walking for the past an hour and a half, and I think we have 1 more hour to go. It's getting warmer, the sun is out now, but the view is just breathtaking. So we are here. We started from Ia and now we are in Fira, and we did the path in 2 hours, which is a really good time. The first time we did the path, it took us 2.5, and hopefully we're gonna come back next month. But next month we are going to come running, because we saw a lot of people running and that looked cool. So we're gonna give it a try. Now I'm going to do my makeup. Normally when I do my makeup, I always have something playing on the background. I was about to grab my phone and watch a video of my favorite YouTubers, but I was like, no, we are going to do this in silence. I'm not going to put any music.
I should slow it down, take it easy. I just keep on staring at my phone. Yeah, my head's spinning, heart's racing, knowing that you could give me a call. I lay awake at night, because all I seem to think about is you. Fuck, I don't know what to do.
1, I would rather live with her than a wolf.
1, he has arms.
Today I had the most beautiful day ever, and it felt so full and so productive, and it helps that I chose to do my digital detox on my day off, because normally when I have a day off, I spend a lot of time on my phone, starting my day early, going on the hike, taking in all that scenery first thing in the morning, hiking, moving my body, sweating a little bit, having like my smoothie and going to the beach, going out, being around people, real people, physical people, and not people in my screen, just really made a huge difference in how I'm feeling right now. At the end, we did went on the home cinema, because I've been trying to go there for years and I never had the chance, and today I had the chance. So we went and we watched a great comedy with a questioning and it was one of those moments when you're not on your like laptop on your house and just watching like shows on Netflix. You're in a space with a lot of people, and especially when you're watching a comedy, you all connect through the whole movie and you laugh, and like it was beautiful. I felt so present in that moment. So I'm going to end the day with I'm going to have first a warm shower because I'm freezing. Then I'm going to do some journaling because I need to reflect on the day and express my gratitude. And then I think I'm going to read a couple of pages of my book and go to bed. Try to go to bed a little bit early today. Another habit that I'm trying to work on. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this video inspires you to, on your next day off, to actually do things and not just stay inside scrolling on your phone, but actually go for a walk, breathe in some fresh air, like move your body a little bit, connect with nature a little bit more. You're going to feel so energized. I feel so energized right now. And please share with me, what do you guys do when you want to like have a break from your phone and be more present? What do you actually do? Do you have like some rituals, some like habits that you like doing? If you have any ideas, please feel free to share. I would love to hear that. And I think everyone who is in this video right now would love to have more ideas and more options of things that they can include in their own day-to-day life. If you like this video, please express that you liked it. Don't be shy. You can like this video, and if you like being around, subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.